Determine in which area you would like to install your QuietCool Smart Roof Mount Attic Fan. From inside the attic, find the center point between two rafters and mark it as the center of the fan hole. Partially insert a nail into the center point mark. Bring the fan unit to the roof. Using the nail as a reference point, find the location for the fan and move the roof tiles out of the way. With the provided template, trace out the fan hole. Use a reciprocating saw to cut out the traced hole pattern from the roof decking. Remove the cutout decking material from around the hole as needed. Apply weatherproof barrier to the roof. This part is very important to ensure a good seal between the fan and the roof, so take your time and install enough material to give a good margin around the fan hole. Position the fan so that it is centered with the vent hole. Lifting the fan up at an angle, apply weatherproof sealant to the bottom side of the fan unit. This will help keep the fan in place and will seal nice and tight. With the fan hood removed, install a minimum of 8 roofing nails to the roof through the primary flashing. To prevent leaking, be sure to apply weatherproof sealant on the nail heads. Once complete, apply more weatherproof barrier to the top of the flashing. Using sheets of aluminum, construct a secondary flashing out of multiple pieces of material. Flare up the edges that will stick above the tile, creating a bib that will go around the fan. Install the flashing material on top of the primary flashing and attach using weatherproof sealant. Apply weatherproof sealant all around the fan housing and secondary flashing, closing the gap between the flashing, the fan unit, and the tile. Using an angle grinder, cut the removed tiles as needed. Reinstall the tile around the fan unit. Reinstall the fan hood. Install an outlet in the attic and plug in your fan unit. Your installation is now complete. Please see the Smart Control tutorial videos on our channel for instructions on how to set up and configure your phone to connect to the QuietCool Smart Control Hub.